Welcome! Today we are solving an interesting exponential puzzle. Let's look at the original problem statement. 3 to the power of x added to itself 4 times equals 120. A common mistake here is to add the exponents, but remember, we are adding the terms, not the powers. Since we have 4 identical terms, we can rewrite the left side of the equation as 4 times 3 to the power of x. Now our equation is much simpler. 4 times 3 to the power of x equals 120. Next, let's divide both sides by 4 to isolate the power. This gives us 3 to the power of x equals 30. Because 30 is not a perfect power of 3, we must use logarithms to find x. Let's take the log base 3 of both sides. This gives us x equals log base 3 of 30. To simplify this further, we can break 30 into 3 times 10. Using log properties, our final result becomes 1 plus log base 3 of 10. Simple and elegant. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe.